Introducing nVent RAYCHEM Pipeline Supervisor, the world's premier temperature-critical pipeline monitoring software solution, providing you with unprecedented access to heated pipeline performance trends and rich actionable data insights. Utilizing predictive analytics, RAYCHEM Pipeline Supervisor provides advanced alerts of trending issues, resulting in a safer and more reliable operation for every meter of your pipeline asset. nVent RAYCHEM Pipeline Supervisor was developed to help operators, owners, and field maintenance personnel assess heated pipeline health in real time. With custom algorithms and predictive analytics, we take you inside the pipeline, providing you with advanced warnings of a variety of pending threats, such as anchor health, pipeline plugs, and the formation of hot and cold spots. nVent RAYCHEM Pipeline Supervisor combines nVent's leading heat tracing technologies with fiber optic distributed temperature sensing to capture thousands of data points continuously along every meter of the pipeline. This information is then converted into actionable data through a user-friendly graphical interface dashboard, which is accessible remotely from a tablet, iPad, smartphone, or PC, allowing you to quickly action previously unforeseen issues and reduce the potential for costly downtime. At nVent, we understand that timely data feedback leads to quicker, more accurate decisions, helping you mitigate the potential for a catastrophic pipeline rupture. RAYCHEM Pipeline Supervisor assists in spotting a trending issue before it becomes a problem. When there is no margin for error, turn to nVent RAYCHEM Pipeline Supervisor to monitor your most critical pipeline assets. As one of the world's largest heat tracing integrators, nVent RAYCHEM is a trusted global brand that customers can rely on for its quality and performance. For more information about nVent RAYCHEM Pipeline Supervisor, visit raychem.nvent.com/RPS.
nVent. We connect and protect.